today's consumer is asking for reduction in price because of multiple reasons. Today's CPG company, retail company needs to make sure that they reduce the price or make sure the price is amenable to the consumer. With that, the challenge comes, if at all the cost of my manufacturing goods are increasing, how do I now make sure that I still am able to deliver the same promised goods at the same price? So with that, there's a new field that's emerged, which is product innovation. Making sure you understand the emerging trends in the space, making sure you create a new product itself. And GenAI can help you both in branding perspective and in actually understanding the trend and building the product.
Today, what we have seen so far in the generative AI journey is in the first wave of generative AI, maybe because when generative AI broke into the market, like it appeared as if, or at least there was a perception that it's all about the customer experience. We have seen a lot happening on the transformation side.
And therefore, overall, there are net new streams of business or net new streams of innovation coming into through GenAI. Versus there's also an efficiency context to it. The smart thing to do here is to fail fast. If at all a POC is not giving a business the relevant results, quickly scrap it and move on. Think about a different way to solve the problem. So that's where it usually helps a business, because again, it's a costly enterprise.